Hello students. So today we are covering the hydrogen bonding and the related PYQ of JE of the different years. So let us understand what is the meaning of the hydrogen bonding. So hydrogen bonding is a very special type of the bonding where hydrogen is combining with highly electronegative element fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen. So now we can classify hydrogen bonding in two different patterns. The one is called interhydrogen bonding and other is called intrahydrogen bonding. So let's take an example of H2O. That hydrogen is connected with oxygen, so it get the polarity slightly positive and this is non-negative. One more water molecule which also have the polarity, it's slightly positive and this is slightly negative. Now, this oxygen is start attracting this hydrogen because of the polarity difference, and that is called the interhydrogen bonding, which is appearing in the different molecules. So when I talk about the intrahydrogen bonding, so the same type of molecule have the force of attraction like hydrogen and nitrogen will attract, or maybe hydrogen and oxygen will attract and create the intrahydrogen bonding. So interhydrogen bonding can increase the boiling point of the molecule, can increase the melting point, can increase the solubility in the polar solvent, where intra can decrease the boiling point, melting point, and the solubility in the polar solvent. So based on that, now we are going to do some PYQ, which is related to the JE. Let's do the first question, that is JE Main 2020. Which of the following molecules show intermolecular hydrogen bonding? Intermolecular means different molecules. So orthonitrophenol, the structure is look like that way. So this is within the molecule, it will show the intra. So this is wrong answer. Inter means, let's say, OH para-nitrophenol. Yes, it can show the interhydrogen bonding if I'm making the another atom of this NO2, or maybe let me reverse it. This should be OH that side and this side is a NH2 group, NO2 group. So they can create the force of attraction and this should be the interhydrogen bonding. Aniline doesn't have chlorophenol. Chlorine is not considered to be the highly electronegative, so this is also not right. Now we have our next question, that is the JEE Main 2019. The boiling point of HF is higher than the HCl because very obvious that hydrogen can form the interhydrogen bonding with the phone, means fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen, so which can create the force of attraction and can increase the boiling point. So HF has a strong hydrogen bonding, that should be right answer. JEE Main 2017 question, arrange the following in the decreasing order of the boiling point. Okay, so we know that boiling point is directly proportional to the interhydrogen bonding, inter-H bond. So let's see, we have oxygen, sulfur and selenium. This is oxygen, sulfur, selenium. I'll write the hydrogen compound. So technically, molar mass is H2SE is higher than the H2S, then H2O, but H2O must have the highest boiling point because of the hydrogen bonding. Now we have a next question, that is JEE Advanced 2015. Which of the following compounds show intermolecular hydrogen bonding? Intermolecular hydrogen bonding, we have first one salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is orthohydroxybenzoic acid, which can show the intra. Okay, they are asking intra only. So this can show the intra, that could be the right answer. Second, orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Okay, we have CHO and OH. This also can show the intra-hydrogen bonding like this. So that is also can be the right answer. We have para-hydroxy benzoic acid. Okay, so if I'm writing OH is here and COH, it can create the inter, which is wrong. Phenol is not creating any hydrogen bonding. So your answer should be, that is A and B. That should be right answer. Let's move to the next question, that is JEE Main 2016 question. Ice float on water. Yes, this has happened because of the hydrogen bonding. It creates the hexagon type structure, cage like structure due to the hydrogen bonding. So your answer should be B. So we have next question. Which of the following has the strongest hydrogen bonding? Strongest hydrogen bonding, this is actually H2O, this is HF, this is ammonia NH3, and this is CH3OH. So we could see the highest force of attraction is happening in HF because hydrogen is creating the interhydrogen bonding with the highly electronegative element fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen, where fluorine is the most electronegative, then oxygen, and then nitrogen. So your answer should be B. So we have next question, JM in 2021, that is arrange the following in decreasing order of the viscosity. Viscosity means as resistance to flow. So H2O, ethanol, C2H5OH, and ether is CH3, OCH3. We can observe the hydrogen bonding strength in water is highest. So water can have the highest one, then you have ethyl alcohol, and ether doesn't show hydrogen bonding much. So it should be the less viscous. So that should be your answer. Next question is JEE Advanced 2012 question. Which of the following show maximum hydrogen bonding? So more electronegative element, better hydrogen bonding. Glycerol. Glycerol is CH2OH, CHOH, and CH2OH. So it might have the highest hydrogen bonding compared to the others. So let's see the rest of the option. Methanol is CH3OH, which one has the weak, water could have the better, and the propanol means carbon chain is increases, so it becomes C3H7OH. So hydrogen bonding highest only in the glycerol. That is the right answer.